Say good morning, Grandma, Grandpa. Oh! That's certainly one way to say good morning. Hey, that's what I think of you, Grandpa. Blah!
Joseph, you bad boy. Bad boy.
Those big feetsies.
Hi. Hi, bad boy. Hi, you bad boy. Hey, bad boy.
Go, 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 go.
Here, here it is. Look over the camera.